Greetings, professors. This is 5-star, and we're going to present our light Android app, which is basically an app for users to read Singapore short stories and share their thoughts with all the other users. You'll know more about our app at the end of this demo video. First, we're going to create a new account. Enter email, CZ2006@gmail.com, enter password, and re-enter it. Click submit. Here we can set our nickname and description. After that, we'll see a list of all available subjects for the Singapore Short Stories dataset, and the user can select his interested subjects or deselect it for personalized recommendations. We'll just select this for demonstration. Then we come to the main page. Here is an overview of the main page. We have 4 main sections. The first one is search, where users can find all the short stories and search for specific short stories. The second is shelf, where all the short stories the user added will be stored and displayed. The third one is thoughts, where user can post his own thoughts or see other users' thoughts. And the last one is profile. We can see our nickname and description are displayed here. Also the user's friend list, thought list, review list, book list in the shelf, and the book list he's currently reading will be shown here. So back to the search page, we can see trending and recommendations. For the trending, it will show the 4 short stories with the highest number of downloads. For the recommendations, 4 short stories which fit to the user's interested subjects will be shown here. And these short stories will be refreshed every time we go to this page. Then we go to the profile page, click setting icon, and then log out. We'll log in using the account we just created, CZ2006@gmail.com, and enter password 2006, and then we click remember password this time. After we click login, we'll directly come to the main page. So here in the library, we can see that all the short stories are sorted according to their subjects and displayed. User can click on either one to see the detailed page of it. Or user can just directly search for a short story. If there's no match, then no results page will be shown. Here we'll just search for Lee. And the result is shown here. We click on it, and then we can see the detailed page with all the information about it, like all the reviews and a short description. We can add this short story to the shelf, and it will show added successfully. And if we add this short story again, it will show added repeatedly. Then we can click on read to read this short story. When we click return, we'll be redirected to the main page. Click on shelf and we can see Lee is added here. Then we come to the thoughts section. There's no thoughts yet. We can click the plus sign on the right corner to post some thoughts. Post our first thought. Click submit. Pull to refresh, and we can see the first post is displayed with its title, description, and delete icon. Then we write another one. We can see that all the thoughts posted by the current user will have a delete icon. You can click it and refresh, and it's gone. Then we log out. On the login page, we can see that our password is remembered for us. Then we use Facebook login. Enter our Facebook account here. And still the same create new account thing. We'll just input some random stuff. Then we come to the thought section and post a thought. Refresh, and unlike the user's own thought, the thought other users post will not have a delete icon. Then we write another one. And we can delete current user's thought, pull to refresh, and it's gone. Then here in the profile section, we can see our Facebook profile image is displayed here. Then we log out. Thank you, Professor. Have a nice day.